Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and I hope that you can see those grid lines and the center mark. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So basically those lines should disappear after the whole operation. So to reset the settings, we have to unroll the top bar to open more settings. So let's do it. Simply swipe your finger from the top to the center, just like that. And here we've got the options. Let's enter the settings. They should be in the right upper corner. And now scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Default Settings. Let's tap. Then let's confirm it with OK. As you can see, or actually probably saw, the settings flashed a little bit. So we have to go back and check. This is the first evidence that the reset option worked. And basically your device will ask you about the access to the device location. And so this is the thing you're allowing at the very beginning when you're opening the camera for the very first time. And here we've got the second and the third evidence actually, because this is the hint you get after turning the camera for the first time. And finally the green lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.